Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I told you about the importance of online earning skill, profitable skills you can learn at home. But before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Due to this, you will be able to see the latest video on time and get benefit from it. So now let's start our topic. First, open the Google Chrome and search the what is the importance of online earning skills. Then you will see the different theory about it, but we'll discuss one by one. What should I learn to make money online? By learning freelancing, you can do online jobs. Even if you are a beginners, you can easily learn to learn freelancing and earn money. Graphic designers, content writers, virtual assistants, freelancer develop, virtual office managers, social media marketers. So why is it is important to make money online? Another reasons making money online is great is because you get to be your own boss. There is nobody tell you what to do or when to do. You get to choose how you earn your living each day, and you can take all the credit for your success. That freedom is one of the best feelings imaginable. What is the best skills to earn money online? Top 20 skills to earn money. Web development. Web developers create the programs and applications for the World Wide Web. Mobiles app developments, digital marketing, graphics design, real estate investment, foreign currency exchange tradings, video games testings, creative writing. What is online earning? Online earning is a method of making money with the help of internet. It includes on website beginning and online business. For all the other options of online earning that are obtainable from the internet, it is convenient to earn online as it does not need any investment or proper scheduling of time. How can I learn? Why should I earn money? It helps us to get some of life intangibles, freedoms or independence, the opportunities to make the most of our skills and talent, the ability to choose our own course is life, financial security with money, much as good can done and much necessary suffering avoided or eliminated. So now our topic is end. Today we discuss about the importance of online earning. Due to this, you will be able to earn the money and manage it and use it as you want. So see you the next video. Take care. Bye.